What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave and this is Hudson Moto Visuals, and today's video is me demoing the Pan America in Daytona at the Speedway. This bike is a beautiful blue color bike, and this is my raw reaction, first time, well, not first time, but second time riding this bike. The first time it was in South Jersey, but it had knobbies and all that stuff on it. But now this is the road version, and I'm pretty excited to test this out. So sit back and just listen to my rambling.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. All right, thank you. All right, now we're back on the road with the Pan Am. I had to wait at that light. That light took forever. So yeah, this is a real comfortable position with the Pan Am. You know, I feel like I definitely could not flat-footed, but one-footed, you know, with this adaptive ride height, which I like. Yeah, it's the same power delivery. It's the same, almost the same everything. Bo's riding the nice ST, not the ST, I'm sorry, the new Lowrider S. And yeah, I really like it. It's comfortable. You know, the engine feels the same as the Sportster S, but this one obviously has more upright position. My feet are under me. You know, this is supposed to be for, you know, off-road, on-road, so, you know, you can stand up on these. I don't know, the transmission on this feels a little bit better. Maybe just because this is what I'm used to with mid controls on a bike. I mean, my Harley, yes, it is forwards, but I got a big giant floorboard where I just move my feet around, so that's not bad. With this one, you know, I like it because it's just like my Honda, and all I have to do is click up, click down, and then bing, bam, boom, we're on gear. You know, the Sportster S, I did miss a couple shifts. You'll hear that in the video, but yeah, man, this is a awesome colorway this year. I really like it. Like I said, I haven't tried that many adventure bikes, but you know, this seems doable, manageable. You know, right now it's a little much in the market for, you know, $23,000 to $26,000 bike. You know, a little expensive. I mean, if Harley detuned the engine and maybe like a 950, I would consider, if it's priced reasonable, maybe like $13,000 to $15,000. You know, I don't need all of this power, especially when you go off-road. But with these, you know, especially on the street, these feel fantastic. You know, it's like, you know, everyday commuter, bop around town. You can do everything, you know. It's all in one. That's what I like about ADV bikes. You know, you put a set of maybe like, you know, 70-30 tires on here, and you know, you could do some light off-roading. Not too bad. The suspension is a little bouncy when it's at a standstill. Still in street mode. But yeah, this feels comfortable. Feels nice. See, if they had these mids, not these ones specifically, but mid controls on that Sportster S, I'm in it. I'm in there like swimwear. Really, I really like that bike, man. that power delivery is nice. But the same thing with this. You know, this is a more versatile bike, I feel, especially with ADVs. Like I said, you go off-road, on-road. You know, Sports to Rest is just to have some fun around town, you know. Have some fun on the, you know, the highway, or have some fun, do some pulls, get into twisties, you know. And you could do that with this one too. No doubt about it. I do like the upright position. I am getting some buffeting on the face here, but let's see. You could just adjust. I know you could adjust this somehow. We'll figure that out. But yeah, I mean, if I raise the shield a little higher, we get no buffeting. But see if it pulls for second. Hard on the brake, coming in. Yeah, this feels nice too. On the brake coming in, let it off, let it off. Woo! Yeah! Look at this bird coming in. I'm telling you, man, I'm like Tom Cruise. Feels light. I mean, we're going 63 miles an hour and I'm standing up. Nice feel right there, and that little twisty area. It felt nice. It felt stable. Same thing with the Sports to Rest. But yeah, man. Like I said, man, Harley's got a winner with this engine. They better hurry up and put them in these touring models before the buzz runs out. You know. So, but yeah, man, this feels nice. Very stable. I think the foot pegs I would get a little wider. It does kill the vibration on here. Feels nice. There goes Bo. And you know, the standing position feels nice. I feel like I'm not sure, but I'm shorter. Like I said, I haven't ridden that many ADVs, but I feel like the bars need to be a little higher. That feels nice. If I didn't have a road glide, this would be a serious candidate, because like I said, these things could do it all. You know, that's what everyone loves about the ADV segment. You know, you can do it all. You could be on a, you know, on a back road trail. You could be you know, just commuting to work. You could just bop around town. And it's light enough. I feel like it's light enough. You know, and I was in road mode the whole time. Damn, I didn't even put it in. That's how much fun I was having just in road mode. Man, it feels light. Once you get it up to speed, it feels really light. So it's really nice. Getting it? Big perm! Woo! Yeah, we just saw Barber CVO in the building. This sport mode is pretty nice. I mean, really nice. You know, if I had this bike or the Sports RS, it'd be in sport mode the whole time, man. Ain't no messing around with that. It'll just be in sport mode, and here we go. That's what it's going to be doing. What are you going to ride next?
Maybe that, or I might get another round on this.
Nice, nice. I like it. Thank you.
You like the color?
I like the color for this year. It's really nice. Yeah. If I could have all the money in the world, I mean, I would have everything. But yeah, not just these. Anything. I don't care. Thank you.
So there you have it, guys. This was a demo ride in Daytona of the Harley Davidson Pan America in this nice blue color. I really like the Pan America because it's a do-it-all bike. I really hope Harley comes out with a smaller version because I really don't need all that power. But anyway, if you like today's video, guys, hit that like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please hit subscribe. I'm almost at 1,000 subs, and I'd love to have you on this journey of YouTube with me. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.
Woo!
How'd you like that ride?
I like it. I like it.
It's a lot of fun, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, hey, what's going on, guys? You made it to the end of the video, but it's not over. I know you want to. Just click this video right here. Right. If not, just subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.